Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to see Instagram current password. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and log in Instagram. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. Click on the more option, go to settings, password and security, but not showing here to the see current password option. So open up your Gmail, tap onto profile icon, go to manage your Google account, click on security, scroll down, click on manage password, Instagram. First verify you, enter your password, and now shown here your all Instagram account, username and password. So that's how you can easily see your Instagram current password. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.